Hello. Hi, Koy Koy. We're gonna walk all the way there to the riverside. Akyat kami dyan, ni Koy Koy ko. Right, Koy? Akyat tayo, Koy, no? Akyat kami ni Koy Koy ko. We're gonna walk. Walk, walk, walk. Mommy's trying to get feet so I can carry Koy Koy all the way there. Right, Koy Koy? There. Get kami ni Koy Koy doon. It's Koy Koy's first time here. Right, Koy? That's the Saskatchewan River. It's a Spadina Crescent. You like it? You like it, Koy Koy? Lots of birds. That's a bird. Come, let's walk again. So, this is the Spadina Crescent. Akyat kami ni Koy Koy. So nice to walk in here. See, madaming dab. There's lots of dab. Ang pangit lang dito. Smells like marijuana. May nagmamarijuana. Oh, diba, Koy? Meron tayo sa taas. May mga padlak-padlak din sila dyan. There you go, Koy Koy. Okay, let's walk. This is the final layer. 1, 2, 3. 10. This is a railway. Diyan dumadaan yung train sa itaas ng river. Look. Nice and pretty. We're gonna walk all the way to the other side, right? All the way to the other side. Koy Koy, you like the view? Koy Koy. Look. Like the view, Koy? Do you like the view, mahal ko? See? Look at that. Hi. Hi, Koy Koy.